E-collars, or electronic collars, have gained both popularity and controversy as a tool for training dogs. In this in-depth video, we'll be discussing the positives, negatives, and crucial safety tips associated with e-collar training. Understanding e-collar training. E-collar training, also known as remote training or shock collar training, involves the use of an electronic collar that delivers mild electrical stimulation to a dog's neck when triggered by a remote control. The goal is to establish a connection between a specific behavior and the sensation, allowing for precise communication with the dog even at a distance. There are various types of e-collars, each designed with specific features for different training needs. These include static e-collars, deliver a static pulse when activated; vibration e-collars, provide a vibration as a cue; tone e-collars, emit a sound to signal a behavior. Principles of e-collar training. E-collar training is based on operant conditioning principles, specifically negative reinforcement. When the dog performs the desired behavior, the stimulation is stopped. This encourages the dog to repeat the behavior to avoid the sensation. It's important to note that when used correctly, the stimulation should be at the level that is perceptible but not painful. Your dog should show a small response to the sensation by flicking an ear, scratching like he would if a flea was biting him, furrowing the skin on his head, or turning his head as if something startled him. The sensation should not be any more intense than that. Never set the shock intensity level so high that the dog yelps when given a correction. The positives of e-collar training. Efficient communication. E-collars enable trainers to communicate with their dogs in real time, even at a distance. This is especially beneficial for off-leash training scenarios, where vocal commands might not be effective. One of the primary advantages of e-collar training is its ability to establish efficient communication between the trainer and the dog, even at a distance. Traditional training methods often rely on voice commands and visual cues, which may become less effective when a dog is off-leash or at a distance. E-collars provide a direct and immediate way to communicate with the dog, allowing trainers to give timely feedback for their actions. Precision training. With e-collars, trainers can provide immediate feedback for precise behaviors. This level of accuracy helps dogs understand the exact behavior that's being reinforced or corrected. E-collars excel in precision training. Traditional training methods often involve delayed rewards or corrections, which can lead to confusion in dogs. With e-collar training, trainers can provide immediate feedback to the dog for their actions. This timely feedback helps dogs understand the exact behavior that is being reinforced or corrected. Distance control. E-collars are particularly valuable for enforcing commands from a distance. This is crucial for safety, especially in situations where a dog's recall is essential. Versatility in training. E-collars can be used for a wide range of behaviors, from basic obedience to advanced commands. This versatility makes them suitable for various training goals. E-collars offer versatility in training by accommodating a wide range of behavior and training goals. Whether you're working on basic obedience commands, addressing behavior issues, or refining advanced behaviors, e-collars can be tailored to suit your training needs. The negatives of e-collar training. Potential for misuse. One of the main drawbacks of e-collars is their potential for misuse. In inexperienced hands, the collar stimulation can be wrongly timed or overly intense, leading to confusion and distress for the dog. One of the most significant drawbacks of e-collar training is the potential for misuse, particularly in the hands of inexperienced trainers or those who do not fully understand the principles of operant conditioning. Misuse can include using the e-collar to deliver excessive or poorly timed stimulation, leading to confusion and stress for the dog. In such cases, the dog may not associate the stimulation with a specific behavior, hindering the learning process. Negative associations. Improper use of e-collars can lead to dogs associating pain or discomfort with the training process, leading to negative associations with commands or training sessions. Improper use of e-collars can lead to negative associations with training sessions, commands, or even the trainer themselves. If the dog consistently experiences discomfort or distress due to incorrectly timed or overly intense stimulations, they may associate those negative feelings with the training environment or the commands being given. For example, if an e-collar is used to correct a dog for barking excessively, but the dog is unsure of what behavior led to the correction, they may develop anxiety or reluctance to engage in any behavior during training sessions. Stress and fear. Misuse or mishandling of e-collars can induce stress and fear in dogs. This can not only hinder the training process but also damage the dog's emotional well-being. Lack of personalization. E-collars don't take individual dog personalities and sensitivities into account. Some dogs may be more sensitive to the stimulation, requiring a customized approach. When a dog doesn't respond to shock collar, it is crucial to explore the potential mistakes and find solutions. There could be various reasons why the shock collar doesn't faze a dog. Firstly, ensure the shock collar is functioning correctly and has the proper intensity. If the collar's too loose or not charged, it may be ineffective, causing the dog not responding to shock collar. Ensure the collar is snug and fully charged to maintain effectiveness. Safety first. Essential tips for e-collar training. Proper introduction. Introduce the e-collar gradually, associating it with positive experiences before actual training begins. Allow your dog to wear the collar without any stimulation, pairing it with treats and playtime. Choosing the right e-collar. Select an e-collar that suits your dog's size, needs, and sensitivity level. Consult with professionals to ensure you make an informed choice. Choosing the appropriate e-collar is a crucial step in ensuring your dog's safety and comfort. Consider factors such as your dog's size, sensitivity, and the type of training you'll be doing. Consult with experienced trainers or professionals to help you select a collar that suits your dog's needs. Avoid one-size-fits-all solutions and opt for a collar that can be tailored to your dog's individual requirements. Setting the right intensity. Start with the lowest intensity and increase gradually as needed. The goal is to find the level that your dog can perceive without causing distress. Positive reinforcement integration. Combine e-collar training with positive reinforcement techniques. Pair the stimulation with verbal cues and reward your dog for complying. E-collar training is most effective when combined with positive reinforcement techniques. Pair the e-collar stimulation with verbal cues and immediately reward your dog when they respond correctly. This reinforces the connection between the stimulation and the desired behavior, turning it into a positive learning experience. Monitoring stress signals. Be attentive to your dog's body language and stress signal. If you notice signs of distress, adjust the training approach or take a break. Consistency and patience. Consistency is key. Follow a training plan and be patient with your dog's progress. Rushing the process can lead to setbacks. Seeking professional guidance. Consider working with a professional dog trainer experienced in e-collar training. They can guide you in proper usage and help tailor the training to your dog's needs. In conclusion, e-collar training can be a valuable tool when used responsibly and in conjunction with positive reinforcement techniques. While it offers efficiency and precision, it also requires careful consideration and proper training methods to ensure your dog's well-being and success. When used responsibly and in conjunction with proper training techniques, e-collars can enhance communication, expedite learning, ensure safety, and enable a well-rounded training experience for dogs. It's important, however, to balance these benefits with a deep understanding of your dog's individual needs and sensitivities, as well as a commitment to their emotional well-being. Trainers and dog owners must prioritize the emotional well-being of their dogs and aim to build a positive and trusting relationship throughout the training process. This involves careful consideration of the dog's comfort level, clear communication, and a commitment to using e-collars as a tool for reinforcement rather than punishment. Remember, every dog is unique, and finding the right training approach takes time, dedication, and a commitment to their overall happiness. Please subscribe to The Amazing Dogs. Thank you for watching.